Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to download the Apple iOS beta profiles on an iPhone. First let's get to the settings, and in general you can check which iOS is my iPhone currently running. As you can see here, that is 13.5.1. Now let's check which are the beta profiles which are available. Just type Apple beta software program. This is the official Apple website. You just have to go to click the get started button. It will ask for you to the password or touch ID or face ID depending upon your iPhone. Log in with your Apple ID. This is some guide for public betas. You just have to enroll your iOS device. In get started, you will be having an option of enroll your iOS device. So you just click on the enroll your iOS device. It will show you some achieve a backup, install profile, and update your iOS device. These are three options which will be shown. You just have to go and install the profile in this download profile. Click on the download profile. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? You just click the allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. Okay, now let's get to the settings. You just type in the profile. Okay, we are not seeing this. Let's check where the profile is now. Here in the general, go to the profile. You will be seeing the iOS 13 and iPadOS 13. You just install the beta version of the iOS. The restart will be required. After you restart the phone, the beta version will be installed on your iPhone. So after restarting, head over to software update. Here you can see the iOS 13.6 public beta, which is around 3.2 GB or something for this version. You just have to download and install it. It restarts several times while installing, and you're ready to go for the iOS 13.6 public beta 2. So the update has been done now. Let's go check. Yes, as you can see, the 13.6 iOS version has been installed in this iPhone. Let's check what all the new features we have. The Siri suggestion is same, and the control center is also same. Doesn't have any changes. Let's go. Software update. iOS 13, your software is up to date. Now here we have got something new. Customize automatic updates. In this we can customize. We can download the iOS updates and install iOS updates. Before it was downloading automatically and installing it. Now we have the option of controlling. If we switch off the install iOS updates, the download will be done overnight and will be kept so that we could install it manually. Install iOS updates. If we switch this on, then it will be installing the downloaded iOS version automatically. It will not be asking you some allowances for it to download. So in that we don't have anything else. Everything is same. The Photos app has not changed. It is same. Even the Siri suggestion is same. And this is same. We have not got any new updates for this. Let's see what iOS 14 brings up in the next week.